Namaste dosto. In this video we are going to very quickly discuss that from when you should start your BITSAT preparation. So basically there are two categories of students here and there are two different strategies that each of the two categories of students should follow. So we would be taking them one by one. So let's proceed with category number 1. So in category number 1, the students who are there are those kind of students who are pretty much decent level of JEE preparation. For example, if you have got 50 to 60% of your JEE Mains preparation over, you have a good and decent amount of conceptualization of concepts and you know how to apply formulas and have a decent amount of practice and you are 50 to 60% prepared for JEE Mains, then the good news is for you is that you don't need to do anything extra for BITSAT. Just keep moving on with your JEE Mains preparation. It would be sufficient for your BITSAT. Okay, there are minute things that you need to keep in mind, that you need to practice. Certain chapters are there which are not important from JEE Mains point of view, but those are highly important from your BITSAT point of view. So I will be making videos that from where and how you can study such things for BITSAT which are not there in JEE Mains. So just subscribe to this channel and keep going on with the JEE Mains preparation, and I wish you all the very best for all your JEE Mains attempts.
This video is brought to you by Unacademy. If you are currently an 11th student and you are aiming for JEE Mains and Advanced in 2022, then Unacademy has come up with a course called Excellence, where the top educators will make you revise your whole 11th syllabus from basics. Also, if you want to cover your 12th topics too along with the revision of 11th syllabus, then there is another batch called Edge, where again the top educators will be there and they will cover the 11th as well as 12th syllabus from the very basics. So if you are interested, go in the description, you would find the links to both of them, and don't forget to use the code Ambuj Saxena to get a 10% discount on your purchase.
Now coming on to the second category of students, that is the students who are not that good in their JEE Mains preparation, or I can say the students who have just started or very recently started with their JEE Mains preparation. The better strategy for those students would be to start with the important chapters first and focus and target more upon BITSAT than on JEE Mains. This is for a very simple reason that BITSAT has got a very less difficulty level as compared to JEE Mains. I also made a video, as you can see on the screen, that what is the difficulty level of BITSAT as compared to JEE Mains. So I would advise you to please go there. It's just a small 5 to 6 minute video. Just watch it. You would understand that why I'm asking you to target more upon BITSAT than your JEE Mains. BITSAT is much more easier than JEE Mains, and there are different advantages of preparing for BITSAT than for JEE Mains. It is also going to help you in your BITSAT preparation. So your main strategy, your main target now should be not on JEE Mains but on BITSAT exam, because the time is very less. In BITSAT, only your NCERT concepts or the related concepts which are there in basic level books like R.D. Sharma, H.C. Verma, NCERT Exemplar, those concepts are targeted. So I think that would be a much better option for you to target rather than JEE Mains. So on this channel we have got more than 200 videos specifically targeting on BITSAT preparation, right from the books needed, right from the bonus questions, whether you should attempt them or not, and what are the paper attempting strategies, how you can study English, how you can study logical reasoning. All the videos are there, and also I would also be re-uploading the videos according to the 2021 context, because this time the JEE Mains pattern has changed. So I would be re-uploading them as per the 2021 context continuously on this channel. So please subscribe it. So let's end this video. I hope you must have got valuable information from this. If you have, please hit the like button. I see that many of you watch my videos but very few people like it. Very few people hit the like button actually. So let's take a target. Just complete 1000 likes on this video as a target, and share it as much as you can with your friends, and don't forget to press the notification bell if you are new to this channel. Let's meet in the next video. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.